What's up, you guys? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today, as you could tell, I discovered a secret wheelie button for the Harley Davidson. I'm gonna have you guys check it out. Super stoked on this. And real quick, let me show you the new motorcycle I got. I sold one of them and I picked this sucker up. This thing is freaking nice. Bam! Alright, obviously JK. Anyway, check out this wheelie button I found for the Harley. This thing is dope. I think you guys will like it. Alright, sorry for the clickbait, but this is the MotoTech clutch lever. I've had this thing for about a month and a half on the bike, so I've gotten some good time on it. So today I'm going to show you the video where I do just like a quick 30-second rundown of the clutch lever, my impressions on it, why I bought this one over some of the other options out there, and I'll go over the price that I paid for it, how much it cost, all that good stuff.
How are you guys? John's Moto Garage. We're at the wheelie spot. It's been a minute since I've been out here because we've had some heavy rains, and as you can see, it's all flooded out. But we've got some dope new artwork up on the wall. Just take a second to take that in. Looks like somebody's really been dialing down their tagging skills, man. That's dope. D&K, bro. Shout out, dog. All right, so we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you the MotoTech clutch lever. Just a quick 30-second down and dirty on that. Hopefully you guys can get this okay. So MotoTech clutch lever, why'd I get this? Harleys are notorious for having a stiff stock clutch, so when you're doing wheelies and you want to slip the clutch, it's just really hard to do that, especially one fingered, so you can still hold on to the bars and slip the clutch. So I started looking around. These are real popular, and I went with this because based on the research I did, personally I like the design of it. We'll go into that in a second, and they seem to get really good reviews. So all in all, I got the 2.5 inch. You can get a 1 finger, 2 finger. This is a 2.5 fingered. I went with that because you got all this extra stuff here on the Harley. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. You got all this here, so the 2.5 finger, it gives you enough clutch with all this in the way.
Check out Trip_HP Junkie. He just did a video recently. He did the 1 finger, so if you want to do a comparison of the 1 versus 2.5 finger, check out his video. I'll put a link below as well on that one. Installation was like a 2 out of 10 as far as difficulty. Super easy to install these, and I'll do a more comprehensive video at some point here. This here is the brake lever. Again, wicked easy installation. It's just the lever itself, nothing else that goes to that. And this is the only one they sent me. I didn't see any options to pick and choose as far as length for this, but pretty easy peasy as far as that goes. So MotoTech, I'm not sponsored by them. This isn't a product placement, but the cool thing about these, I like the look and design. It's just nice, clean, CNC machined. Nothing too crazy, no sharp edges, nothing over the top. You can pick your lever color, you can pick your perch color, you can do combinations. 15 bucks extra is this piece here. If I choose to put the mirror back on, you can do so with that. You can pick 1 inch, or I forget the other one, 7/8 inch. You can choose different options based on your handlebar. My impressions thus far, when I first put this on, I still had my stock clutch spring on the bike, and it was a night and day difference. I could easily 1-fingered slip the clutch with the MotoTech, so that was hands down night and day, huge difference. I'm doing my first ride with the MotoTech new clutch lever and brake lever, and so far this thing is super smooth. This thing is wicked smooth. It's smooth as butter. Hands down way easier than the stock clutch. And the nice thing with this is it's all in the lever and the way the lever's designed, the technology in the lever. So you don't have to do anything extra at the clutch cable. You don't have to tear into that. It's all just putting a new lever on, and it makes it like a night and day difference, so much easier. I since installed a heavy-duty Barnett clutch spring on the bike, and with the heavy-duty Barnett clutch spring, it's almost like I'm back to square one as far as stiffness on the clutch lever. But I can only imagine how much more difficult it would be not having the MotoTech. So thus far, my experience with it, I'd say 2 thumbs up. I'm a big fan of it. Together, the clutch lever, the brake lever, and this little piece to do the mirror set me back, I think, just under 200 bucks. They got it to me in, I think, a week and a half, so turnaround time was very quick. So there you have it, the MotoTech clutch lever. I think they look nice,
and I dig them. So if you're just looking for a more low profile design as far as your clutch lever goes, I would highly recommend these ones. Price is right there with all the other options out there. Or if you're doing the whole wheelie wannabe stuff like myself and you're looking for something easier to slip the clutch, then I'd recommend this as well. I will do a more comprehensive video at some point on that.
Thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully you found that useful and helpful. Ride safe. Adios, hermanos.